Perfect. Perfect.
Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So today you guys, we're gonna do a wash day using 3 new products that I've never used. Now one of them I think is kind of new on the scene, but 2 of them are you guys' favorites and have been for years, and they just been sitting in my stash and I haven't used them, so I'm ready. So let's jump into the shower and get started. So first we're gonna start off with a Prepoo. Now if you're not new here, you know that the African Pride Prepoo is one of my favorite Prepoos. But a product is only a holy grail until you find another holy grail. So I'm always into trying new products because you never know what gems are out there until you try them. So today we're using a different type of Prepoo. This one was super duper creamy, which is totally different from the African Pride Prepoo. So I was looking like, girl, I don't know about this. I don't know if it's going to do anything. So I started to work it into my hair and I'm like, oh my God, this is giving me regular conditioner vibes. This is giving me leave-in vibes, but with no slip. It's just super thick. What am I gonna do here? Let me go ahead and dip my hair up under the water a little bit and try to make it a little more slippery. And when I did that, honey, the slip was like, hey girl, how you doing? The slip came to life in this product. Water definitely activates the Prepoo. It was a lot easier for me to start detangling, and I normally detangle outside of the shower, but when I have like a wash and go with gel in my hair or a bun or something like that with a lot of gel, I like to Prepoo in the shower because I need to get that gel off of my hair so I can actually start to work the Prepoo into my hair a lot easier. So as I rinsed my hair out, my hair felt very, very soft. Like it felt great. And I was shocked. But I can also tell that my hair started to frizz and halo really fast. And I knew this must have silicones, and it does. Actually pretty high up on the list. But I can say my hair was very, very soft, and it was definitely detangled. And the product I'm talking about is this Dark and Lovely Detangling Cream. So like I said, you guys, the water activates it. It was a really good Prepoo, especially for like an in-shower type of Prepoo. For me, this does say that it's for protective styling. So if you're going to use this to take out a protective style, I recommend you have your spray bottle ready because the water activates the slip. I would not recommend putting this on and then just trying to comb through your hair. You definitely need to add water to this to detangle, but once you do, that slip comes alive, and honey, this was good. Would I repurchase it? I probably would not repurchase it, only because it does have those silicones. It's like made my hair halo. I'm not opposed to silicones, but my African Pride Prepoo doesn't have that and doesn't make my hair frizzy like that. But this was pretty good. You know, if you happen to see it and you're out there, give it a try because it's really not bad, especially if you don't mind silicone. So now we're going to get into this shampoo. Now this has been one of you guys' favorites for years. This one had a nice pearly type of consistency, but I actually saw the same product in the store the other day and it didn't have a pearlized look. It had more of a clear look. So I don't know if my product is an old formula or just an old product because I have had it for a while. When I smelled it, it gave me a nice citrusy type of smell. It felt smooth and creamy on my hair. I hear a lot of people say that it is a very moisturizing shampoo, and then I hear a few people say that it's more of a clarifying shampoo. For me, this was actually a really good hybrid shampoo. It did feel moisturizing, but it also felt clarifying at the same time. My hair was not completely stripped. But it didn't feel like a completely clarifying shampoo either. It did have some moisture to it. Was it the most moisturizing shampoo? No, but like I said, for me, it did give me both in one shampoo, and my hair felt good. I was actually glad that it had some type of a clarifying type of feel after using that Prepoo with silicones, but I probably needed a more clarifying shampoo than this one because this one did have some nice moisturizing properties in it as well. And the shampoo is the Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse from Camille Rose. You guys have loved this for a long time. Like I said, nice hybrid, gave me a little moisture, gave me a little clarifying. So I actually did enjoy it. I was looking for more of a gingery type of smell. I don't know if it's because I've had the product for a while, but I did get some citrus type of smell in there. Since this gave me that kind of hybrid feeling, I would have to use it a couple more times to see if I really like it. But for the first time use, it was not bad. Now for our deep conditioner. This was a nice, smooth, creamy, somewhat thick deep conditioner. But as I started to apply it to my hair, it started to become more of a lightweight consistency. And I really enjoyed it. It had a nice sweet smell. And if y'all know me, y'all know I like lightweight deep conditioners as well as thick deep conditioners. And you know I like the lightweight ones because they really penetrate into my strands a lot better, being low porosity. So this one went smooth on my hair. It felt good going on my hair. It didn't have like a ton of slip or anything like that, but that's okay because my hair is already detangled from pre-pooing. So I like to be able to just run my deep conditioner through my hair, and this one was giving me such a great feeling, such a nice sweet smell, and I was like, okay. So I did like the application of the deep conditioner, but of course the test is always when we rinse it out. So I have the deep conditioner in my hair right now. Let's go rinse it out so I can tell you what it is. Okay, you guys, so I rinsed it out. Let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, it felt great rinsing it out. And it looks good. First of all, my hair feel like butter. I ain't gonna lie, it feels like butter. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I did sleep in it, so I thought my hair was gonna be like mushy, but it's not. It still got definition to it. Like, my hair feels really, really good and hella soft, honey. Woo, woo, child. This deep conditioner feels so freaking good. And the deep conditioner is the Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion Mask from The Main Choice. You guys love this deep conditioner, and I can see why. It feels so good in my hair. I am a fan, okay? First of all, this is 12 ounces, so I have a whole nother use in here. So I love that. The smelled good. It felt good applying it, and the rinse out felt like silk. Like, I was like, okay, girl, like, this is nice or whatever. Y'all, we got a new deep conditioner that we like, and I like that. This deep conditioner says it's for anti-shedding and intense volume therapy. Of course, I like anything that's for anti-shedding, and I really do feel like my hair got some volume. Like, so I feel like the claims of this deep conditioner are on point. So thank you guys so much for joining me for today's wash day. Please like this video, share, and definitely subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.